Okay, so now let us discuss the general equation of a circle. So, nung last upload ko, ang diniscuss ko is the standard form. Ngayon naman is we're talking about the general form or the general equation of a circle. So, ito na po yon. So, ito na po yung descending order kapag we are talking about the general equation. X squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equals to 0, where f is the constant term and d and e are the coefficients of the variable x and y. So, para mas maintindihan nyo, let us have an example. First example, we have write the general equation of a circle with center 4, comma, -1, and a radius of 7. So first, babalik muna tayo sa standard form, which is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. Okay po? So, yung h natin dito, so ganito na lang gagawin nyo. Kapag yung center is positive, doon sa loob ng parenthesis, magiging negative 4 squared plus. Kapag ito ay negative 1, sa loob ng parenthesis, magiging positive 1 is equals to radius of 7, which is, kapag in-square is 49. So, ito po yung standard form ng equation of a circle. So, pero ang sabi, write the general equation. So, we're going to expand this to square of binomial. Or we can apply the FOIL method. But, meron tayong technique na gagamitin. So, first, with as square the first term, which is x. X times x is x squared. And twice the constant term, -4 times 2. That is -8, and the variable being used is x. And -4 times -4, it will become positive 16. I-parenthesis nyo po. Plus y times y, that is y squared. 1 times 2, that is positive 2. And the variable being used is y. 1 times 1, that is 1, is equals to, so we did, we're going to transpose this positive 49 to the other side. It will become -49 is equals to 0. Okay po. So, combining like terms. So, pag gagawin na natin siyang descending order, so, mauuna si x squared plus, pangalawa si y squared. And then, yung kasunod naman is yung variable x, which is -8x. Yung kasunod naman yung variable na y, which is 2y. And then, 16 plus 1 minus 49. So, that is -32 is equals to 0. So, this is the general equation of a circle. Okay po. So, parang ganito lang din yan. X squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equals to 0. So, yung dx natin, ito yon -8x. Yung ey natin, yung positive 2y. Yung f natin is -32. Po. Next example. Okay, so next example, we have write the general equation of a circle with center -1, 2, and a radius of 2 square root of 5. So, alam niyo naman na po mag-transform ng standard form ng equation of circle. So, kapag in standard form natin yan, that is x plus 1 squared plus y minus 2 squared is equals to, kapag ganito, kasi ang radius natin is 2 square root of 5. So, since naka-square yan, diba, sa ating formula, so 2 squared is 4. And then cancel yung radical sign. So, 4 times 5 is 20. Okay po, nakasunod. And then, we're going to expand. We're going to transform this in general equation. So, twice the square, the first term, x times x, that is x squared, plus 1 times 2, that is 2. And the variable being used is x. And 1 times 1, that is 1. So, parenthesis nyo para di kayo malito. Plus y times y, that is y squared, negative 2 times 2, that is negative 4, and the variable being used is negative 4y. And negative 2 times negative 2, that is positive 4. And then transpose positive 22 to the other side to become negative 20 is equals to 0. Okay po. So, let us write into descending order. So, we have x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 4y, and then combine all the constant term. 1 plus 4 minus 20, that is negative 15. So this is our final answer. Madali lang yan. So, transform nyo muna into standard form and then expand the square of binomial, transpose the radius to the other side, combine all the constant term, and then write into descending order, and then yun na po yung final answer. Thank you for watching.